heart says parkour but your soul says nap. My last two brain cells are fighting for their lives. Your interior designer is a cat and they decided you needed a more open... I am starting to think that my cat is actually a glitch in the... You hear a snack wrapper crinkle from 3 rooms away and your internal radar immediately locks onto the target coordinate. Your ambition is to catch the ball but your lifestyle is strictly horizontal. Your legs are 3 inches long but your career goals are elite law enforcement. Cardio day for the short king of the police force.
Cute.
You try to use the Peloton but remember you are a cat and the only... The 3 o'clock a.m. existential crisis hits and you realize you have been staring at the wall for 40 minutes but the litter box is actually... Kitten thought it found the high ground, but the dog just found a new snack dispenser. Underestimate. Top 10 photos taken seconds before a disaster and I am the disaster. You realize your food bowl is empty and you have to take your dramatic performance to the head of management. You realize the human is just a fancy vending machine that requires a subscription to Popeye. Convinced my manager to give me a performance-based bonus but the taxation on treats is getting out of hand. Does this button come with a...
Huh?
You have a 9 o'clock a.m. meeting but your soul stayed in 2007.
The point of anything.
Huh?
You finally get that high-speed fiber internet but it still keeps lagging behind. Cat heard the Roomba start its shift and decided that floor level was no longer a safe place. You try to join the local swim club but realize everyone else is already on a strict diet of raw fish and yelling. Happy to see the land seal is finally making friends with the water cats.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Core Master 1 second, box dwelling gremlin the next. This is what happens when you act. 10 anime betrayals the moment you realize the hand of friendship was actually the hand of tickles. 100% prepared. I thought the sniff test was just a figure of speech, but this magpie is conducting a 5 stages of a chicken nugget heist calculation: the strike, pure bliss, the immediate regret of it being over, and the realization that I have more fingers. Your dog realizes that Area 51 is actually just the hallway and the aliens The main character energy hits, but the physics engine is still loading. This dog is currently 40 zoom eyes and 60 motion blur. Your human tries to do a cool parkour move, but you are just here for the moral support and the snacks. The delivery person knocks and you realize you have 0 self-control but 100 excitement. The itch is at 100%, but your core strength is at 0%. When the pre-workout hits, but the social anxiety is stronger than your bench press. I am just here to collect. This kitten took 1 lick of vanilla and immediately saw the secrets of the universe. Forget the brain freeze, we are witnessing a full system reboot. 1 minute you are a cat, the next you are a vibrating cloud of chaos and regret. Would you like me to come up with... You calculate the jump perfectly but forget to account for the... Top 10 photos taken seconds before disaster. That puppy really thought it was a chew toy until the owner of the tail decided to check the receipt. One of them is about to learn that life comes at you fast, and it usually... The internal monologue of a black cat. You realize the toilet paper roll is on backwards and you have to take matters into your own paws. This interior designer works for treats and chaos. Your golf game is so bad the course provides a specialized professional to help you sink the...